Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a device with Android 13 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, the camera mode, we can unroll the options. So just swipe your finger from the top to the center of your device, maybe not just like that. And as you can see on the third position, we've got the timer option. We've got three different timers, three different options from which we can choose actually. So currently the timer is off. As you can see, this icon with a crossed out clock is highlighted, which simply means that it is set. We can set also a 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted. It is also notified right here. What's more, after getting back to the camera, you can see 10 inside the shutter button. So you can always check if you've got the timer or not. So all we have to do right now is to simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. From 10 or from 2, of course, depends what kind of option you will pick. So this is how to set the timer. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just open those settings and pick this crossed out icon. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Of course, it is night side, so that's why it takes so long to take a photo. So actually, that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in the Android 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.